Good day, everyone. We are the Group 5, and our topic is all about the 21st century curricular landscape in the classroom. Our desired learning outcomes are describe the curricular landscape of the 21st century and identify the 21st century skills to be developed in the curriculum. We have here the overview, the different issues that needs curriculum, characteristics of curriculum, and skills of learners.
To overview, in the 21st century, the world has shrunk because of technology. The advance of technology in today's world has made the world appear to be smaller than it actually is due to the fact that we have everything we need within a touch of a button. Classroom become virtual and global. GVC or Global Virtual Classroom is a collection of free online educational activities and resources. It aims to complement the efforts of governments and education around the world to integrate technology into their classrooms. Students face emerging issues such as global warming, poverty and war, health issues, and population growth. Some questions emerging curricula of the 21st century. How does the curriculum for the 21st century look like? What are the emerging factors and conditions that will shape the curriculum of the century?
We have different issues that needs curriculum. First, globalization of economics and independence on international markets. Second, concerns about environmental issues. And the third is increasingly global competition. Fourth, increased global migration and opportunities for global overseas. And the fifth is science and technological revolution. And lastly, knowledge economy as a generator of wealth and jobs. All these issues need a curriculum that will address global solutions to environmental problems, environmental sustainability, cultural diversity, global conflicts, technology revolution, and science breakthrough. Curriculum includes interdisciplinary themes, development of essential skills for modern pedagogies and technologies. The curriculum incorporates higher order thinking skills, multiple intelligences, technology and multimedia, and multiple literacies of the 21st century skills. The 21st century curriculum includes innovation skills.
Characteristic of curriculum. First, appropriate knowledge, skills, and values. Curriculum provides students to be able to gain knowledge, skills, and values that help students to be ready for the future. Second, curriculum is the knowledge drawn from research. And as a teacher, you can just make an assumption from teaching. It should based on facts, and through research, it provides necessary information and knowledge needed to solve problems and decision making. Third, product of consultative and collaborative process help create and improve educational outcomes for students and process for effective communication and problem solving. The last one, for support, excellence, and equity for all learners. It is important to acknowledge students' achievement for them to be motivated in order for them to grow and develop.
The 21st century skill set and key development areas for students. We have four cluster of skills for the 21st century. First, we have the learning and innovation skills. The learning and innovation skills focus about the mental processes required to adapt and improve upon a modern work environment and its specific descriptions. First is the critical thinking and problem solving, which means the students find solutions to a problem. And the next, the creativity and innovation, or it means students think outside the box or think in an original or creative way. And next is the oral and written communication, which means working and talking with others to have better understanding. So the second cluster is the knowledge, information, media, and technology literacy skills. Knowledge, information, media, and technology literacy skills focus on determining trustworthy sources and factual information to separate it from the misinformation that floods in the internet. And its specific descriptions, we have content mastery, and it refers to the body of knowledge and information. The second one is information literacy, which means students understand the facts, figures, statistics, and data. And the third one is the media literacy, which means the students understand the methods and outlets in which information is published. Lastly, the ICT literacy, which means the students understand the machines that make the information age possible.
Let's move on to the third cluster of skills, which is the life skills. First is the flexibility and adaptability. It is an important qualities that every learner must possess. The idea that plans can be changed quickly and to adopt changes and able to adjust to fit every circumstances inside the classroom settings. Next is the initiatives and self-direction. It is when you have the ability to initiate or look for ways to help and accomplish tasks without being told and achieve their own learning goals and objectives. Next is the teamwork and collaboration. It's the ability to work effectively with others on a common task, taking actions and respects each other's opinion and contributions, especially in group activities. Students or learners should be also a good listener and acknowledge one's own feelings, concern, opinions, and ideas of others. Next is the social and cross cultural skills. It is the work and socialized effectively with others in a diverse situation. If you are a leader in your group, you will work with a diverse people, so it's important having this quality to communicate effectively with respect without commotions and misunderstandings. Next is the productivity and accountability. It involves setting priorities, careful planning, and applying knowledge to create quality results in a fast changing environment. And lastly, leadership and responsibility. It's a leadership with responsibility that leaders must have the ability to communicate well and motivate their teams with a delegate responsibilities. Last cluster of skills is the citizenship skills. First is valuing of diversity, which it is the understanding of each individuals and recognizing individual differences. And global awareness, it's the ability to understand and build unity between diverse cultures. Next is the environmental awareness. So it refers to knowledge, abilities to develop and committing on making changes to any environmental activities. And lastly, values, ethics, and professionalism. So it applies on evaluating personal conduct of a citizens in the comparison to society's norms. And that would be all. Thank you for listening.